we have seen the three trigonometric identities: sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Today we will do some of the problems based on those three trigonometric identities. So first question goes like this: prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 equal to cosec A plus cot A. So we will take the left hand side, we will simplify it, and finally we will reach the right hand side. So cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1, that is your left hand side. But already this cos and sin, they are in simplest form. So what we are going to do is divide throughout both the numerator and denominator by sin A. So here I am going to divide each and every term in the numerator and denominator by sin A. So we will take the left hand side. Left hand side is cos A. So by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A. So all the terms of this numerator I have divided by sin A. In the same way, all the terms of the denominator I am going to divide by sin A. So cos A by sin A plus sin A divided by sin A minus 1 by sin A. So this I can write cos A by sin A is cot A minus 1 plus 1 by sin A is cosec A. 1 by cosec A is the reciprocal ratio of sin A. Same way, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now I'll just rearrange this numerator. Numerator is cot A plus cosec A. This minus 1 I'll make it as third term divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. And we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. At the same time we know that 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. So I am going to write this 1 as cosec square theta minus cot square theta, because here cot theta is there, cosec theta is there. So this one I am going to replace, as cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So which is equal to cot A plus cosec A minus cosec square theta minus cot square theta divided by denominator as such I'll write cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So this is equal to cot A plus cosec A minus, this is in the form of A square minus B square, which I can write as A plus B into A minus B. So I'll write this as cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. Denominator as such I'll write cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. This is equal to, now cot A plus cosec A is common, so I can take outside that cot A plus cosec A I have taken outside. So here 1 is there, minus cosec A minus cot A, this I have already taken outside, divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now cot A plus cosec A, I am going to open this bracket, 1 minus cosec A minus into minus plus cot A divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So which is equal to cot A plus cosec A. So this I can write as cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. I have just rearranged their order. So denominator is cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now you can see this and this are same. Cancel that. So the left out is only cot A plus cosec A, which is equal to our RHS. So for this problem, what we have done is we have divided throughout by sin A, each and every term in the numerator and denominator. Then we know that cos A by sin A is cot A. Then sin A divided by sin A is 1. 1 by sin A is cosec A. Then this 1 we have used the identity 1 equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta we have used. Then again we have used the identity a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. We have opened the bracket and cancelled, and finally we got the right hand side. So next question, prove that 1 plus square root of 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A equal to ck plus tan A. So here the left hand side is 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A, square root of 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A. In 9th standard you have studied about rationalizing factor. Here it is 1 minus sin A. So I am going to multiply both the numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin A, square root of 1 plus sin A. The last sum we have divided each and every term with sin A. Here you are going to multiply numerator and denominator with square root of 1 plus sin A. So this I can write as 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A, because we know that root of a by b I can write as square root of a divided by square root of b. So square root of a by square root of b I can write as square root of a by b. So everything I have put under one root. Now this is nothing but square root of 1 plus sin a the whole square divided by 1 plus a into 1 minus sin a, that is a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square, which is equal to 1 square minus sin square a. This I can write as square root of 1 plus sin a the whole square. This we know that sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1, this trigonometric identity, or 1 minus sin square a equal to cos square a. So I can write 1 square minus sin square a, 1 square is 1 only, 1 minus sin square a is cos square a, which is equal to 1 plus sin a the whole square divided by cos square a. We know that square root of 2 square is 2 only, or square root of 3 square is 3 only, because square root of 9 is 3. In the same way, when you remove the root, I have 1 plus sin a divided by cos a. Now, so this I can write as 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. 1 by cos a is sec and sin a by cos a is tan a, which is equal to our right hand side. So here the question was 1 plus sin a divided by square root of 1 minus sin a. So we have just multiply the numerator and denominator with square root of 1 plus sin a. Then we have used identity a minus b equal to a plus b. Then we have used the trigonometric identity 1 minus sin square a equal to cos square a. Simplified it. The last step, 1 by cos a we have written separately, plus sin a by cos a. Sin a by cos a is tan a, and 1 by cos a is sec. Now the third question is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. So as usual, take the left hand side. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. In the numerator, sin is common. I am going to take outside, which is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by, in the denominator cos theta is common, going to take outside 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now I can use the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This 1 I can write as sin square theta plus cos square theta, both numerator as well as denominator. So sin theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta plus cos square theta. So which is equal to sin theta into sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta is minus sin square theta. So I can write cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by cos theta into 2 cos square theta. This you can open the bracket. I'll write one more step. 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta minus cos square theta. So this is equal to sin theta into cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So this you can cancel and we have sin theta by cos theta, which is equal to tan theta. So for this problem, just from the numerator you have taken outside sin and from the denominator you have taken outside cos. Then we replace this 1 with the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. We simplified and finally we got the right hand side tan theta. So thank you for watching the video.